exercises, about 8 pieces of brocades. The explanation is there, and leading you to do it without any explanation is also there too. So try to use it for at least 49 days. If you can do 100 days straight, even better, even better. Why? Because when you first do an exercise, you're simply learning it. When you do it enough times, you start forming synapses, start forming crease on your head and your brain. You started what? Integrated from some knowledge you just learned to part of your own routine, okay? And when that habit is formed, and you will start changing, not only your mind, start changing the energy flow when you do it, okay? And then you will feel not right when you don't do it for a day. So that's the state we want. And once you get to the point that you naturally use it intuitively, when your neck is crooked, you immediately did 五劳七伤往后翘, okay? When your stomach doesn't feel good, you immediately started doing the stretching, okay? So that means it becomes yours. It's truly yours, okay? So that's how we want you to progress. And in the olden days, if you haven't practiced one thing for at least 100 days, one move, they won't even teach you a second one. Because for you, it's just a move, okay? It's not yours yet.